Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 7 value graphics cards of 2024, ranked by price to performance. Whether you're building a new gaming rig or upgrading an old one, this lineup covers every budget and gaming need. Let's get started and find the perfect GPU for you. Starting us off at number 7 is the ASRock ARC A750 Challenger D. This GPU is Intel's bold entry into the gaming space, offering impressive specs for its low price tag. At just $190, it's a fantastic choice for gamers looking to play at 1080p or 1440p resolutions without breaking the bank. It boasts a 2400 MHz boost clock and 8GB of GDDR6 memory, ensuring smooth performance in modern titles. Plus, it's equipped with HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 2.0, giving you access to the latest connectivity options. However, there's a catch. Intel's drivers are still a work in progress, meaning you might experience hiccups in older DirectX versions or certain games. The power consumption is also on the higher side for a GPU in this performance range, so it may not be the most efficient choice. Despite these drawbacks, it's hard to overlook the value it offers for gamers on a budget. If you're willing to work through a few quirks, the A750 is an entry-level powerhouse worth considering. At number 6, we have the Sapphire Pulse Radeon RX 6650 XT. This card is a direct competitor to Intel's A750 but offers better driver stability and a polished gaming experience. With a boost clock of 2635 MHz, it's one of the fastest cards in its price range, delivering strong 1080p gaming performance. Sapphire's compact design ensures compatibility with smaller builds, making it an excellent choice for gamers working with limited space. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The RX 6650 XT's 128-bit memory bus can be a bottleneck in some memory-intensive scenarios, and while it offers noticeable improvements over its predecessor, the RX 6600 XT, those gains may not justify an upgrade if you already own a similar card. Still, for new builds or upgrades from older hardware, the GPU strikes a great balance between price and performance. Coming in at number 5 is the XFX Speedster Radeon RX 7600. With an efficient RDNA 3 architecture and a boost clock of 2655 MHz, this card is a step up for gamers seeking 1080p excellence. The RX 7600 shines in esports titles and demanding AAA games alike, providing consistent performance with a lower power draw of just 165 watts. Its sleek design and build quality also make it a visually appealing addition to any gaming rig. That said, the RX 7600 isn't without its limits. It's not designed for high-resolution gaming, so 1440p and 4K enthusiasts may want to look elsewhere. Additionally, while it offers great value for its price, it lacks advanced cooling features seen in more premium cards. If 1080p gaming is your focus, this GPU offers an excellent balance of power, efficiency, and cost. Next, we have the MSI GeForce RTX 3060 VENTUS 2X OC taking the 4th spot. Known for its versatility, this card delivers solid performance at both 1080p and 1440p resolutions. With 12GB of VRAM, it's more than capable of handling modern titles and even some light 4K gaming. NVIDIA's ray tracing technology and DLSS support give it a distinct edge, allowing you to enjoy enhanced visuals and smoother frame rates. But while the RTX 3060 is a strong performer, it's not without competition. It faces stiff rivalry from AMD's offerings, which often provide better raw performance at similar price points. Additionally, its plastic-heavy build might feel less premium compared to other models. Still, the RTX 3060 remains a reliable choice for gamers seeking a well-rounded experience. Breaking into the top 3, we have the Gigabyte Radeon RX 7800 XT Gaming OC. This card is an absolute beast for 1440p gaming, featuring a massive 16GB of GDDR6 memory and a boost clock of 2565 MHz. Gigabyte's WindForce 3X cooling system ensures that the card runs cool, even under heavy loads. While dual BIOS functionality provides flexibility between silent and performance modes. On the downside, the RX 7800 XT is power-hungry, with a 263-watt draw. Its triple-slot design also means it may not fit in smaller cases, so be sure to check your build's dimensions before committing. Despite these challenges, it's hard to argue with the value this card delivers for its price. If you're gaming at 1440p, this is a top-tier option that punches above its weight. At number 2, we have the XFX Merc 310 Radeon RX 7900 XT. Built for 4K gaming, this card offers unparalleled performance in its price range, with 20 GB of GDDR6 VRAM providing future-proofing for years to come. Its advanced cooling system keeps temperatures low and noise levels minimal, even during intense gaming sessions. However, this level of performance comes at a cost, both literally and figuratively. At $680, it's one of the pricier options on this list, and its 300-watt power consumption requires a robust PSU. Its large triple-slot design also demands a spacious case. If you're after premium performance and don't mind the extra investment, the RX 7900 XT is a top contender. Finally taking the crown is the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super Gaming OC. This card offers unmatched performance for 4K gaming, with DLSS 3.5 and NVIDIA's Add a Lovelace architecture pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Its advanced WindForce 3X cooling system ensures optimal thermal performance, while its 16GB of GDDR6X memory makes it a powerhouse for gaming and productivity alike. But excellence doesn't come cheap. At $790, this is the most expensive card on our list, and its triple-slot design requires ample space. For gamers seeking the absolute best in performance and cutting-edge features though, the RTX 4070 Ti delivers in spades. And that's our ranking of the top value graphics cards of 2024. Which card caught your eye? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and gaming content. See you in the next one!